Alright guys, so here you can see we got the Simple Key kit in the mail. Comes with one key. You can get it, I believe they come with a different pad on here, also one without the remote start. And so our first thing we need to do is get this out of the box and take a look at the key and activate the actual key itself. So let me get this out of here. Okay. You got a, comes with a harness for your OBD port, onboard diagnostics port, right here. Set that aside for now. Yeah, here's your extra cover or button thing if you need it. So the chipboard would just push against these, whether it's 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 buttons, just depending on what you got, what you need. So let's pull this out of here. I'm gonna take and check and make sure there's nothing protecting the battery on here for now, and then I'll get right back to you. So the first thing we need to do is activate the key fob that came in the Simple Key package. And to do that, you're gonna look up in here in the manual, and it says compatibility. So you'll find the code for your vehicle, like mine's a 2012 Dodge Ram, and it says primary activation code is 311. So now to activate that, first you're gonna hold down lock and panic, and you should see a blue light kind of flash on here. And we'll wait for that. I don't know if this one has it or not. But then after that, so 311 would be this one. First you do the lock, click it 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Then you do panic once, and then lock once, and then you hold down the lock and panic again. So, okay, hold that down. Go 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, and then hold it down. And that blue light will blink it back to me. 1, 2, 3. There, we should be paired. So that activated it. Now the next step is to pair it, where we got to plug in the onboard diagnostics tool and your OBD port, and then we'll go from there. We'll show you the rest. I got this already set on 3, and there is a little button on here which we'll use later. But 3, it tells you in the manual what number to have it at for your vehicle, so follow that also. But first I'm going to remove this protective seal. Once this is removed, you cannot return the Simple Key item or program. So let's just put that over there. Next step is to turn on the hazard lights. Make sure your vehicle's in park. Put your original key in and start the vehicle. They say to have your radios off, fans off, everything off, to prevent electricity draw or whatever. Now our next step is to plug this into the OBD port, and then we'll listen for 3 quick beeps. And then once that happens, we'll turn the ignition off and remove the key. So let's see. Okay, there we go. So there's the 3 quick beeps. So now that we got that, we'll turn the ignition off, remove the key, and then we'll plug in the new one and turn it to the on position. We'll take that, we'll plug in the new one. Turn it to the on position. So now we take, and this is on position 3, now we push the button. There we go. Now we turn the ignition off and remove the key. There we go. Then you push that button and that's the chime, so now this key should be paired. And now you're supposed to remove the the programmer from the OBD port. I'll unplug that. Turn off my hazards, and now let's see if my lock and unlock buttons work here. There we go. And now double click should be remote start. Let's see if this bugger works. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Awesome, dude. Simple key frickin' works. Awesome. Because my buttons on my OEM key did not work. My lock, unlock, and remote start did not work. And now they frickin' work. I love it. So I got 2 more keys to go. Let me try it with these, and I'll bring you guys along for the ride. And let's see if I can make 2 more keys. But I am just so stoked that I got frickin' 1 key that actually works now with remote start and everything else. That is too cool. Simple key. I give you guys a 100% 5-star review, man. That was awesome. All right, guys, for a second key, I am going to take this out of the package. I should pop it open and check if there's anything around the battery. There's your blank. If I can pop this bugger open. Nope, we're good on that. Snap that bugger closed. Put the key back in. Okay. So let's see if we got a parrot. I don't see any blue light, so I'm pretty sure I don't have to pair anything. But just in case, I did 3, 1, 1, and 1. But I'm pretty sure I don't have to pair it. So, okay, so put the original key in the vehicle. Turn on your hazard lights. Put the original key in the vehicle. Start it up in park. And then we'll plug in our OBD port. We'll plug in our OBD port right here. Okay, that beeped. Okay, that beeped. So now we'll shut the original key off, put this one in, turn it to the, we'll turn this to the on position. And then we'll hit the button on here and wait and see what happens. Okay, so that says it should have paired. And now we'll turn the ignition off and hit the button again. Bam! Now this key should work. So this will be key number 2. Let's see. Yep. And remote start. Boom. Remote start, everything working. Takes 5 minutes, guys, program a key. This simple key is highly worth it. So now I got 2, look at this. I got 2 working keys. And now let's do the third one. So I'll keep this in my hand the whole time so you guys can see this. I'm trying to get the process down. That way it goes a little easier. So actually, watch, when I put this in, the vehicle will stop. Hopefully you can see it. I should be able to. Let me check my GoPro. Yeah. The vehicle shut off. So I need the original key. Put this in. Well, first hazards. Put the original key in. Start it up. Plug in the I forgot to remove the OBD port. All right, let's just try it with the engine started. Okay, up, beep. Okay, there's our beep. Then I will shut it off. Put this one in. Turn it to the on position. Hit our button. There we go. Now I'll turn this off. Pull the key out and hit it again. Boom. Third key. That easy, guys. Watch. Yep. Hopefully you can hear that. It's unlocking and locking the doors. And let's shut that off and now try remote start. Perfect. So there's 3 working keys, guys. 1, 2, 3, and all for the cost of about 135. Let's just say 150 bucks. It was closer to 135, 140 bucks, but let's just round it up, say 150 bucks. So for the price of $150, I have 3 working keys with remote start, versus the dealer wants $500 to $600 for one of those freaking keys. Talk about a ripoff, guys. So yeah, if you're looking, if you need replacement Fobic keys or anything, check out Simple Key. This is not sponsored by them, not an ad by them, like nothing. I just was looking for a way to get some backup keys, and holy cows, does that work awesome. So check them out, guys. Check out my channel, favorite, like, share, subscribe. But thanks, guys, appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching again. Hope this helped. If it did help, leave a comment. I love hearing your guys' feedback. I love hearing positive, negative, what you thought I could do better. I know this wasn't like a super high quality video setup, but I'm trying to get it done before work so I can go to work and stuff. And it's hard to get a big camera in here set up on a tripod to actually record really good quality video. So I hope that's okay for you. But all right, guys, later. Enough rambling on. Have a great weekend.